Kevin, what are you doing?
Like seeing a faucet for the first time? Yeah, he's hooked.
Oh my god! Oh my god. Toast, that's you. Toast.
When you want to fight, but your opponent copies every
Toast.
single move you made.
Come on. You can come here. Come on. So chunky.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Be careful, buddy.
Цветы дербандить. Лучше на сухие.
Hello.
Prince! Prince!
Who says you have to have wings to fly?
Oh! Are you okay?
I don't want to cuddle.
Do not even think about it. Do not even think about it.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
This is the face of a cat who knows he is wrong, but still thinks it was worth it.
Ripley. Hello. Ow!
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep... Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
The first day as a thief, but bring a fragile heart with be leg.
That all had to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
Playing with tiny, mischievous friends should be easy, right?
Oh, he kicked you. Oh my gosh, you're so curious.
You don't like it when Daddy's all covered up?
Play a game. Dun, dun.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Luffy, stay. Stay!
A typical day for an orange cat living with his gentle Newfoundland buddy.
¡Dey! Te estás chingando mi...
Tucker, place.
She ain't moving.
Oh no, no.
Hello.
Help me! Help me!
Ну что вы не поделили?
Indeed, indeed, we are never more than now, when the bond between the Crawleys and the Leven.
Domestication has taken away all of his wild traits.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hey, what's up? Is your cactus your best friend? Ow!
Nope.
Ready? One. One, two. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what happened?
Hi! Hi!
Hey!
No, 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 no.
There's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
What do you think you're doing?
I was... These furballs aren't just alert, but also training others to be alert through their mischiefs.
Don't wonder why your students spend 3 hours completing an easy assignment.
Cats are the kings of double standards. Only they're allowed to tease others.
Someone catching Orange Cat taking a break, but clearly not wanting the household chaos to stop.
Come on then, put it with the collection. Hey, someone's been at the collection stand.
When a cat decides to forget elegance and choose absolute comfort.
When you chose this guy for his warmth and gentleness, and he actually makes you feel as heaven.
Can you read this? Oh!
His job. You have one job. Look behind you.